fly, drop, take the bell away.
Don't stop.
Hey,
Don't stop.
Hey, don't stop.
Run a man up.
A beat and
when it comes to you, don't be blind. Watch me speak from my heart when it comes to you. Comes to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have Aiden here with me. He's gonna be my helper. Hi, Aiden.
yeah. I don't know what you're gonna do yet. Okay? Yes, my mom.
I got some packages that we're gonna be unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit what I bought. I'm super excited that one of my favorite packages just got here. I've been waiting for it.
Is toys in it?
I don't know. It's in a surprise.
Oh, it is. I'm gonna be so happy for you. Thank you. You're the best mom in the world.
Oh.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna show them? So I actually ordered some stuff online from H&M. I bought some matching outfits for the boys. Jacob's not here today, so we're gonna have Aiden demonstrate and wear them and see how they look on him.
It can't be so tight.
Well, we're gonna say you're not gonna wear Jacob's. You're gonna wear yours.
Where's mine now?
So we're gonna open the bags. Okay.
That one already open. Shall we open it?
Okay. This one is 2 to 3 years old.
2 to 3?
But these are for Jacob, so I got the same pair for Aiden.
This is mine.
Yeah, so open it so we can see what it is.
Hey, Mom?
Open it.
Okay, you just have to move. Pokemon. See?
Okay, hold on. Tiger's being.
I know, Tiger. He likes me.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Okay, show him what it is.
This is how it looks like. Way bigger.
Okay, so there's some green
boxy,
jeans.
some boxes.
They're very stretchy.
Like this. Oh my god.
I love these when they have the zipper there, because when I get him skinny jeans, a lot of the times his foot gets stuck right here, huh? And we're like pulling and pulling until his foot gets in there. But at least with these ones, kind of open up a little bit like that. I don't know if y'all can see.
I can't see.
But that's my favorite. This part as well, because he does. And sometimes when he's very skinny as it is, and when he has these, he could kind of like tie them up. So they have, it's like a fake pocket, snow pocket right there. But the pockets in the front
Which fake pocket, Mom?
are nice.
Mom, what's fake pocket?
The back ones right here.
8 pocket.
No, it's fake ones.
Oh, no.
Yeah. So I love these, and they're kind of like crunchy or whatever this is called.
Mom, we got the same
What do you like about it? Do you like the color?
Oh, one thing. The zippers and this and the color and the pockets. That only one thing.
Okay, that's that. And then I'm just gonna open Jacob's. Hold on, honey. Let's open Jacob's, because I think the cuter, the smaller the jeans are, the cuter for some reason. So it's the same pair.
Okay, give me that Jacob.
Okay, open yours so I can show both of them at the same time.
Oh, this mine?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see it. Let me see it. The biggest.
Can you just open it? Aiden, the thing is gonna turn off again.
Okay.
You can't waste time.
Open it?
Yeah. Okay, let's do it at the same time. Ready?
Oh,
1,
they actually cool.
2, 3. They're little Batman jerseys, and then in the back it says 94 and it says Wayne. They look so fresh. H&M had these. These are so awesome.
Come on.
Yeah.
You
You want to try them on? And then...
These toys. I hope the toys are dollars. What is it?
some glasses.
Oh, it's mine?
Tighter.
It's mine?
Try them on.
It's mine?
Yeah.
I want cooling one, but this one.
Oh, yeah. Ready to try them on?
Yeah.
Let's get to it. We'll be right back. So that was Aiden trying on his clothes. Did you feel comfortable?
Yeah.
You liked them?
Yeah.
You like the Batman sign?
Yes.
What was your favorite part about the jeans? Are you checking yourself out?
You know that guy? He does this.
Oh yeah. Oh, so you're copying him. That's cool. So what about this shirt? You liked it? You're welcome.
I could do Batman right now.
You're gonna be Batman?
Right now.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, boom! So that was the clothes from H&M. They had like a 30% sale or something, so I was like, that's where ever since he was born I've always bought his clothes. So definitely anytime you guys have a chance and you guys want to have cute little adult clothes, H&M has really nice clothes that I personally like.
I look like that. I got cartoons right now, watch. Even I like a different name.
So yeah, my little helper is done helping. Thank you, honey.
Welcome.
So he's gonna go watch cartoons because he is gonna get bored with my section. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and just open the rest of the bags, and he's gone. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with the rest of the stuff that I got. If you hear a lot of noise in the background, it's Tiger. If you hear noises, it's him. Okay, let's continue. So the next thing that I have that I bought is from Fashion Nova. I just bought some jeans and a little tank top. I took advantage. They had 30% off plus free shipping, and your girl went and took advantage of that, used the credit, and I got free shipping plus 30%. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the shirt. It's just a regular just crop top. It's kind of see-through. I don't know if you guys can kind of tell, but it's spaghetti strap, small fitting. Some of the other stuff that I've gotten before, it was some jeans, but I put them in the washer, and as soon as I came out, it was just like worn off. It looked like I had them for years. These are the jeans that I also got from Fashion Nova. Zipper. Okay, so the zipper thing, they're black, high-waisted. Of course, I love high-waisted jeans. They're kind of they have some rip in the knees and here as well, the knees. Come on, these are size 7. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you after I'm done opening, but this is the Fashion Nova. Now, let me tell you, This is my second time ordering from, okay, if y'all could read that, Gymshark. Gymshark had this birthday deals going on there. I personally love how the stuff look, especially when you're, you know, the high-waisted one that, you know, cinch your waist when you don't got a, you know, a waist at all. I got these for like, I think $26. And did I get a good deal? Yes, I did. Because I know for sure these would have been probably like at least $30–40. And it's these ones here. It's not the ombre ones. I do want to get those eventually, but these are, I love the color. By the time I went shopping on the site, there was like no sizes available anymore. I was so upset because I'm a size small when I buy from Gymshark. Medium fit me a little bit too loose, but look at that waist. Okay, I'm gonna try these on for you guys. That way you guys could see we're gonna do the squat proof, because if they're see-through, then I like to wear, you know, a sweater around my butt. It looks very stretchy, to be honest with you. Look at that. Let's see if we focus there. This is Gymshark. This is where it divides. It's so pretty. I'm so excited! And this is probably my favorite color. It's the same exact thing, but look what is a beautiful color. And it's the same thing. It cinches. I say cinches. You know how the waist trainer thingy, they cinch? I say cinch. So these are gonna definitely cinch my waist. How beautiful these are. These are size small. Again, I would definitely check what size you guys are, because I think when I got a medium, they were too loose on me. I didn't like them. And then when I got the size small, I think it just depends. I think it's just sizing. I'm really excited. This, oh, Tiger. Once you get used to, ow, Tiger. You wanna say hi? Say hi to the camera, Tiger. I love you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and go try these on. I'll be right back. I'm gonna start with the Fashion Nova pants and the shirt, see how it looks, and then I'll come back with these. Okay? All right, I'll be back. Hey guys, so that was my little demonstration of these pants. I'm gonna say that the Gymshark, they feel comfortable. They're really comfortable. I really like the waist part. I also like how like the colors as well. The only thing I don't think I like, and I'm sure for a lot of us girls, we don't like that camel toe. And it seems like with those pants I kind of see it a little bit more than the other ones that I have from Gymshark. But other than that, I can't wait to wear them. And I'm still using the shirt from Fashion Nova. So it's perfect. I liked it. Oh. Hi, honey.
Vlogging?
Yeah. So he just came from the gym. But anyways, the Fashion Nova jeans, let me tell you, I wish I knew the name of the jeans, but those jeans feel so comfortable, so stretchy. I can't wait to wear those either. I didn't try on the red leggings because it's pretty much the same thing, but just different color. But if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you want to get notified when I post a new vlog, definitely turn on your notification. So thank you. Bye.
No limit in the sky that I won't fly for you. No amount of tears in my